నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవోభినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం 5th skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Paramatma Sriman Narayana, having unconditional grace, anugraham towards his devotees, he comes down in different forms to help all his devotees enjoy his avatarams. Yen nama srutam anukirtayet. Even though human, whatever the lowest levels that he has gone, but if that human takes any namam from an authentic acharya, even if he gets to listen to namam from his authentic acharya, immediately, instantly he becomes a very pure human. Paramatma's namam, if it is taken all of a sudden, unknowingly, or even for a fun, if he takes Paramatma namam, if he utters Paramatma's namam, he and those who listens to that, both of them immediately gets relieved from all kind of sins. O Parikshin Narendra, Sriman Narayana is Ananta. His glory, his effulgence is unlimited. Nobody can understand to all that extent. O Raja, till now I have disclosed the miraculous Srishti, creation, the details to you. Now, Kimanyat Kadhayama, now what else I have to tell you? Please tell me, please ask me. Then Parikshin Narendra asking like this, Maharshe, etat vaichitriyam lokasya katham. O Maharshi, why people are getting into different paths and different destinations? Can you please tell me all those details? Like that, when Parikshin Narendra asked Sri Sukha Yogindra saying like this, O Raja, in this world there are people, 3 types of people. Those who have Sattva Gunam, and those who have Rajo Gunam, those who have Tamo Gunam. Like that, 3 categorized people are there. And whatever the activities they perform will be according to their own Gunam. And also the fruits that they get will be according to their own Gunam. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra explaining. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.